some of our children who have real issues with sensory processing, the way they take in external and internal stimuli, can result in behaviors. How many of your students do this?
Yes, it's
How many of your students don't do that? Most of them don't do that. So the auditory stimuli in your classroom is not abnormal, or maybe it is, but for that particular child with autism, it can be unbelievably loud. Because the way that they're taking in auditory sensory is exacerbated compared to all of your other students. All of your other students are able to acknowledge that there's a game going on over there, and a game going on over there, and there's a fire drill, and there's a tornado drill, and there's a hurricane drill, and there's cell phones going off, and there are people laughing, and there's a dog barking, and there's a police siren going on outside, and just read it out. Not pay it one slightest bit of attention, but continue to focus on whatever it is that they're doing. For a child with autism, the influx of all of that auditory stimuli all at one time could be disastrous.